A very good morning, students. Hope you're fine and safe. Students, today we'll start with chapter 4, and the name of the chapter is Transport. Here you can see the word travel. So, students, we all love to travel, and we travel because of different reasons. The reasons can be to visit a new place, to meet relatives, to work, to go for work, and for study purpose. So, there are different reasons for travel. But tell me, students, how do we travel or send goods from one place to another? How do we travel or send goods from one place to another? For that, we need some means of transport, right? We need some means of transport. So let us understand what is the meaning of transport. Transport, it is the way in which people, animals, or things are carried from one place to another. Okay. So, for traveling, what do we need? We need transport. And transport is the way in which people, animal or things are carried from one place to another. Now students, let us see how people traveled in the past in 1 hour. In 1 hour, how they traveled in the past. And we'll compare that with the present. Okay, how people travel in 1 hour today. So in the past, students, by walk, they used to cover 9 kilometers in an hour. Today also, student, it's the same. It's 9 kilometers in an hour by walk. So students, by horse cart. See, this is a horse cart. In the past, people used to travel by horse cart also. And by horse cart, they used to cover just 20 kilometers in an hour. Whereas now we have motor car, right? Now we have motor car and the distance we cover in an hour is 120 kilometer. So you see the difference, 20 kilometer and 120 kilometer in an hour, right? Now next slide is of steam train. Steam train, it was invented in 1860 and in an hour it just covered 75 kilometers. Whereas now students, we have the world's fastest electric train and it covers 300 kilometers in an hour. Okay, so this train is the world fastest electric train and it covers 300 kilometers. This is the image of early motor car. It was invented in 1913 and it covered just 25 kilometers in an hour, right? Whereas now we have aeroplane. An aeroplane covers about 1000 kilometers in an hour. So in 1 hour, the aeroplane covers how much? It covers 1000 kilometers. Transportation of goods. See, in the last slide, we learned how people traveled, right? How people traveled. Now we learn how the goods were transported from one place to another. So initially, the oldest form of transporting good is human carrying the goods, right? Human used to carry on their back from one place to another, the goods. But so now we'll compare like in the past how goods were transported and how much time did they take. In a day, how much distance they traveled or they covered. We'll compare it by today's present scenario. So, in the past, the goods were transported by oxen and it covered 15 kilometers in a day. Whereas now, the goods are transported by the goods train. In Hindi, we call it Malgadi. So, they cover how much? 800 kilometers in a day. Right? Now, in the past, students, pack animals. They were also the means of transport. What the people used to do? They used to keep the load on their back, on the back of the animals And then these animals used to carry or transport goods from one place to another, and they are called pack animals. So, what all pack animals? What all animals were used in this? Donkeys, horses, or camels, and they used to cover just 40 kilometers in a day. But now we have truck, and truck is also used to transport goods, and it covers how much? 800 kilometer in a day. Sailing ships. So, students, in the past we had sailing ships, and it didn't had that much advanced technology. Very basic technology it had. Okay, so it covered only a few kilometers in a day. Fine. Whereas now we have big container ships, and see, you can see there are some containers kept on it, and these are very big, and they cover how much? They cover 1,000 kilometers in a day. So with this, we come to an end of part 1 of this chapter, students. Let's just revise quickly whatever we studied today. We learned that what is travel, right? Travel is the word we use when we speak about people or things moving from one place to another. And we learned that, students, that we travel for different reasons. For traveling, we need transport. And transport क्या है? Transport is the way in which people, animal or things are carried from one place to another. Now, in the next slide, here we compared how people used to travel in 1 hour in the past and how much time or how much distance they cover today in 1 hour. So by walking we discussed, then here we learned that by horse cart they covered 20 kilometer in an hour, whereas by motor cart they covered 120 kilometer in an hour. After that, steam train 75 kilometer in an hour, and the world fastest electric train, it covered 300 kilometer in an hour. And after that, motor car, it covered 25 kilometer, whereas we all know aeroplane, it covers longer distances, so it covered 1,000 kilometers in an hour. Then we learned about transportation of goods, how the goods were transported in the past and how much distance did they cover in a day. So by oxen, it covered 15 kilometers in a day, and by goods train, it covered 800 kilometers in a day. Then by pack animals, 40 kilometers in a day, and by truck, 800 kilometers in a day. And then sailing ships. So sometimes they covered only a few kilometers, whereas the container ships, they covered 1,000 kilometers in a day. So students, thank you so much. In case if you have any doubt, just message me once. Okay students, stay safe and stay healthy.